Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and do hit on that notification bell in order to get our videos before anyone else. Hello folks, this is Aditya Najha from InspiredToRise.com and this is the YoPro VCT 690 tripod with a fluid head. It's one of the few tripods which are really price effective, and it does come up with a bag carrying case of its own, and inside you get the tripod with the fluid head, and it has quite a good adjustable height. So that's something that I like. The build quality is quite good as it's made up of metal and has some hints of plastic. So overall design and build quality is 10 on 10. It has got a good height, but still it's quite a handy one. And if I talk about the other features of this tripod, then it can take weighs up to 2 to 3 kilogram. So if you have a bulky DSLR, then also it can carry that. Right now this is the maximum height of the tripod showcased to you guys by opening up all of the 3 legs and also the head. And if I compare it to my height, then I am a person who is 5 foot 8 inch. The tripod with the camera, and when it's closed up, it's almost similar to my height. So 5 foot 7 inch would be the best guess. 5 foot 6 inches or 7 inches is the best guess, and you get a very nice mechanism in order to expand and contract the head, which is good. And overall the height also is quite good. The build quality is sturdy. The material used, the metal used feels really solid. You can easily beat up a person with this tripod in case you are really angry on someone. That small green thing tells you whether the tripod is perfectly aligned with the ground level or not. And overall, I feel that for the price for which this tripod retails, it's one of the few which offer you these features. And the fluid head is the most important feature for this tripod. You get this adjustable head mount wherein you can mount a smartphone mount or a DSLR mount, and still it works good. And you can also tilt it to a 90-degree angle using this small thing over here, and if you do that, you can get easily 90-degree shots. The fluid head is the most important aspect of this tripod, and it's certainly really fluid. At this price point, there is no other tripod available which has such a good fluid head, and this tripod was recommended to me by a few other fellow YouTubers. You can also set up the height to a certain point where you like, and this is something really handy if you don't want to expand your tripod too much. Overall, it retails for a price of around 1600 rupees on Amazon.in, and it retails for a price of around 1800 rupees in offline markets like Chandni Chowk in New Delhi. I bought it at 1800 rupees offline in Chandni Chowk as it was not available on Amazon at the time of my purchase. And still, for the price of 1800 INR, I feel it's a great tripod. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome, incredible reviews like this. This is Aditya Najha from InspiredToRise.com. Signing off folks, stay inspired to rise.